Livington 3 Seconds Chopper. You'd like to cook healthy meals fast? Then Livington 3 Seconds Chopper is perfect for you. In only 3 seconds, it chops, cuts, and minces everything you want with its 3 balanced precision blades on 3 tiers and its 20,000 revolutions per minute without chunky residue. It's like doing 1,000 cuts per second. What you can do with a quick push of a button, not even the most seasoned chef can do. And the result is sensational. In only 3 seconds, it chops, cuts, and minces everything you want with its 3 balanced precision blades on 3 tiers. With a push of a button, you can chop 100 hazelnuts or just a single one, just how you like it. Livington 3 Seconds Chopper. The cutting quality is always outstanding. Just put on the motor and in 3 seconds, you're already done. Forget these bulky food processors that are so tedious to assemble, need a tremendous amount of space, and are a pain to clean. The cordless, rechargeable Livington 3 Seconds is the size of a coffee cup. One charge of the battery lasts several weeks. It's done with its chopping in only 3 seconds, and its cleanup is done almost just as quickly. Conjure up pesto, fine baby food, delicious dressings, perfect marinades for barbecues, tasty spreads, or finely minced garlic, onions, nuts, herbs, cheese, and much more in lightning speed with a push of a button. Livington 3 Seconds is so versatile that you'll use it every single day. Then Livington 3 Seconds Chopper is perfect for you. In only 3 seconds, it chops, cuts, and minces everything you want with its 3 balanced precision blades on 3 tiers. Livington 3 Seconds Chopper. Fast, easy, versatile, and cordless.